Dodge hater, bro. But bro, vet looking crazy. Come on, bro. Woo. Vet. I seen this Hawk before. He changed the rim color. Remember? Yeah, he changed this. Hawk logo on there. You know what I'm saying? Hawk logo on that. Looking crazy. I ain't gonna lie though. How you like it how it used to look or how it look now? I like this. This is hard. That don't look crazy. Yeah, you got trucks out here. And y'all know I ain't too big on the trucks, but low key though, I'm starting to like them more and more the more I see them, bro. Like, look at that. But that's crazy. I would probably struggle to get in this stuff. I ain't even go cap. Got Daytona right here, man. Just looking crazy. What this? Daytonas. Scat Pack right here.
Hold on, watch that. What's that? They gonna say 0-1 on the.
Yo, bro. Yo, I ain't got no problem with Chevy, bro. I like Chevy, bro, but come on, bro. Yo, low key, bro. Dodge been low key running stuff too, bro. Don't sleep though. We love Chevy over here too, though. But he just a pure Dodge hater.
I'm not a Dodge.
But yeah, but we got Scats out here. What else we got out here? Isaiah, that's all you right there. Yo, bro, you know they be saying I be like dodging you, bro, because we don't play the game a lot on stream. Look at that, 4Gs. Then we got the 4Gs on there. 4G autos right there. Clean. Hold up. You don't get too nice. Oh my God. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, this is hard. Y'all ride with this, y'all ride with this. What is up? What's the SRCG?
It's a Hawk.
It's a Hawk? It is? Oh, you badgeless. Oh yeah, it is a track Hawk. He badgeless, bro. Dang. Okay. Y'all rocking with this? This is hard. Yeah, I knew how hard it was, bro. Yeah, bro, look, we got a Beamer right here. Honestly, I ain't gonna cap. I'm not the biggest Beamer guy, bro, so I don't know which one this is, but I like it though. Oh yeah, he got the cam. He trying to drop somebody. Oh yeah, 8 badgeless. What's this, like a 5, I think? If this not a 5, bro, don't murk me in the comments, bro. M5, M5, okay, yeah. Yo, he got the camera on that. He trying to work some. I ain't gonna cap. Yo, bro. They gotta be something we do. Oh, hold on, I had to tell you this off camera. But yeah, I had to tell you off camera. But hold on, give me a second, cause I ain't getting a full 360 of this on. Yeah, let me know, man. How y'all feel about this? I rock with this. Oh my God, that just sound crazy. God dang. I don't know, man. I ride with it though. Not a lot of people. There you go, we got scared. Hold up, let's see what he doing. Hey, mark my words though. Scat coming to the channel though, for sure. We got a Scat coming to the channel, bro. Real soon. You gotta keep grinding. Oh, hold on. What up, boys getting crazy. Yes, sir. is he about to do it? But Beamer got crazy. We got another scat, but I don't know if that scat on the same time as the other scat. I don't know. I don't know, bro. Oh, hold on. It look like it. Oh! Yes, sir. Oh my God, you can't even see him. Oh my God. Boy, that boy getting crazy. Ah! Yes, sir. Whatever getting
No,
crazy.
he almost tore that car up.
You seen the Beamer? Beamer was no. That was a white Beamer.
Yeah.
That white Beamer, he was sliding.
You know what it is?
No.
Remember that purple BMW that had the two stuff?
Yeah.
That's that car.
Dang. Look.
I got my car.
Hey. Yeah. Just let me Oh my, look, he's still going. He's still going. He's still going, look. We still got the white scat here.